Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought I would do an unboxing today. I'm going to do an unboxing of some makeup brushes that I went ahead and ordered from Morphe. They got here earlier today, so I figured we can come back with a little unboxing. So I went ahead and ordered two different sets of makeup brushes, sorry. The first one that I ordered is the BLING brushes. They come in this box. They are 8 brushes with kind of like rhinestones. Let's see. So it has a large pointed powder brush, angle contour brush, a tapered powder brush, a blending crease brush, a deluxe crease brush, an oval shadow brush, a bullet crease brush, an angle liner with a spoolie, and the bag. So this one, I'll tell you how much they retail for. So this one right here retails for $59.25. Well, I actually bought it on sale. It actually retails for $79, but I got it for $59.25 plus shipping and handling. Sorry if the light changes. I have my TV on to help with the lighting because it sucks. But this is how the box looks. I think it looks really cute. And then it has a picture of the 8 brushes in the back. And then if we go ahead and open it, so you have, looks like it's the little bag. And this is how the little bag looks. It's textured. I guess it's the easiest way I can describe it. And it's glittery, but the glitter doesn't come off. And the inside is red. So it looks really, really nice. And then you get your 2 sets of brushes. So one of them, see if you can guys see it. I don't think you guys can really see it. So I'm gonna open it. Well, I'm actually going to open one of the little ones, but this is one of them. And then this is the whole eye set ones. I'm going to open one of them so you guys can see the rhinestones. They're really cute. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to be able to put it back in there. But they're really soft, which is nice. But this is how it looks. It's really shiny. This is the handle. And it's actually, it feels like rhinestones. It's not, there's no lacquer or anything on it. So when you hold it, it actually feels like rhinestones. So it might, if you hold it too tight, it might hurt. I don't know. We'll see. But it comes with, let me see if I can put this back in. So it comes with 5 here. Put this one back in here. And 3 here, which make up the 8. These ones are actually pretty big. So I like the feel of them. So this is what you get for $59 if you still catch the sale. If not, you're paying $79 for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. So you put them in here. You have a nice little carrying or makeup bag. It goes there. So this is the Bling set brushes again. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. And actually share the star of the night. This one right here. So let me put that box down. So, the one that I'm very excited to show is this one, which is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes. And I had to get the whole set, and I had to get the case, of course. I think you can buy the case by itself, but I wanted to get all of them. So, this is how the case looks, and it says Morphe in the front, and it's not textured, although it's like really shiny, it's not textured. So, I like that more than the texture of the bag, but I really like the bag. But this is how it looks. And then this one retails for $165, and it's the Master Collection, which has 24 pieces. So it has, I think you can buy them individually too, but this one has both. And yeah, I paid full price, $165 plus shipping, so that's not that bad. And it's all of them in here, so that's kind of cool. And I think you guys have seen them, so I'm not gonna go through them because I know Jaclyn has a video where she goes through every single brush, but they look pretty thick. Like, I like the handle so far. This is one of the packs. And then the other blending brushes. And they all say Morphe and Jaclyn Hill with the numbers. And then here is the last set, which has more blending brushes and all that good stuff. And they all fit nicely in this case. And the case, if you're wondering, it does stay closed. Like, it doesn't open up. Love it. So I think these are all the 24 brushes. Okay, sorry about that. My camera started doing a weird noise and I thought it was still recording, but I guess it wasn't. So I actually took all of the brushes out and I put them in their little handy dandy case. They're actually really nice brushes. Like, they feel really nice and they're nothing like I've had before. I usually just use the Real Technique brushes, but this ones are actually really nice and I love this one. But yeah, there are a whole bunch of different ones and I'm like, wait, how am I supposed to know which one is for what? Because as you guys know, I don't know much about makeup, so I'm still learning. And then, of course, let's see if I can focus it. They're all here, so I'm gonna keep this because they are all here. It tells you what's what and what to use, but it's not focusing, so keep this if you need to know. And then look at this, like, and done, and they're securely in there, so that's pretty awesome. I love this case, and I can't open it with one hand, so it's pretty secure. There we go. All right, and they all fit there very nicely. Then I'm very excited to use this one. I don't know why, but I am. And they all fit very, 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 very nicely. So that's kind of nice. And then let's move on to the Bling collection. Ignore that. We'll talk about that right now. But look at them. They're so sparkly. So, so cute. I wish they had a bigger collection. I'm kind of iffy on the handle, but it looks so pretty. I'm sure I'll get used to it. Oh no, it looks like a little rhinestone is falling off. But so, so sparkly. I love it. So there's the 8. And then there's one with the spoolie. And then the eyeliner brush. But look how sparkly they are. Then of course we have the little bag, so that's kind of cool. I don't think this one had a spoolie. Yeah, I don't think it does, so maybe that's the only thing that this one's missing, but other than that, I think that they are super cool brushes and I'm very excited to start using them. Hopefully I can start using them ASAP. But yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm probably going to do another unboxing because I think you guys